This is a sample questions for Transport Canada Aircraft Maintenance Engineer Exam for Standard and Practices. Part 6. Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe so you will be notified for my new video. Question: NiCad battery compositions are? Answer: 30% potassium hydroxide and 70% water. Question: transform 9 into a binary number? Answer: 1001. Question: what type of tip in the welding rod is used? Answer: the size of the tip depends on the thickness of the material. Question: find the volume of a cylinder with a bore of 4 inches and a run of 8 inches? Answer: 100.54 cun. 3.1416 times 4 times 8 is equal to 100.5312. Question: cable minimum size of the primary control system? Answer: 1/8 or greater. Question: the metal ring test is the common method for the inspection of? Answer: to verify if the honeycomb material is delaminate. Question: Mach number is the ratio of? Answer: the speed of the aircraft to the speed of sound. Question: where do we use duckbill? Answer: lock wiring. Question: air pressure at sea level? Answer: 14.7 psi. Question: Monel metal has? Answer: strength and corrosion resistance value. Q: air pressure at sea level? Answer: 29.92 Hg. Question: dew point? Answer: the temperature at which the humid air is cooled to be saturated. Question: in an inductive circuit the current lags? Answer: lags voltage by 90 degrees. Question: 20 gauge wire use A? Answer, red terminal. Question, what metal combined with aluminum gives the best strength-to-weight ratio? Answer, magnesium. Question, what do two raised dashes on a bolt mean? Answer, aluminum alloy 2024 bolt. Question, when steel is hardened, it is heated above its critical temperature. When cooled rapidly, what provides the fastest quench? Answer, brine. Question, 1 horsepower equals how many watts? Answer, 746 watts. Question, what is the relationship between current and volt in an inductive circuit and a capacitive circuit? Answer, in an inductive circuit, the current lags the voltage. In a capacitive circuit, the current leads to voltage. Question, what are the characteristics of titanium? Answer, lightweight, very high strength, in its pure form soft and ductile. Question, what is the color of an MS fitting? Answer, blue. Question, what is a joggle? Answer, an offset formed to join sheet metal to a reinforcing angle. Question, how many terminals are permitted on each stud on a terminal strip? Answer, 4. Question, what determines the wire size in an electrical installation? Answer, the current carrying capabilities and the voltage drop are kept to a minimum. Question, what is a cushion clamp? Answer, a clamp used to secure lines that are subject to vibration. Question, how do you neutralize a spill from an NiCad battery? Answer, with boric acid or vinegar. Question, what is a block diagram? Answer, a block diagram shows the various operations rather than the components. Question, what is a ley line? Answer, it's a line situated on flex hoses to indicate whether the line was twisted during installation. Question, what is the work formula? Answer: work equals force x distance, W equals F dot D. Question: what is the power formula? Answer: power equals force x distance slash time, P equals F dot D slash T. Question: what is an intermittent load in an electrical circuit? Answer: 2 minutes or less. Question: what is a proof load test? Answer: 60% of its braking strength applied for 3 minutes. Question: what measuring device would you use to find the center of a shaft and other cylinder work? Answer: combination set. Question: what limits should be observed when bending a tube? Answer: the minor diameter in the bend should be no less than 75%. Question: what should be done if scratches are found on a piece of rigid tubing? Answer: it is acceptable if they do not exceed 10% of the tube wall thickness and they are not in the heel of the bend. May then be burnished out. Question: is a fuel line identified? Answer: burgundy stripes and stars. Question: what type of diagram locates components with respect to each other within the system? Answer: schematic diagram. Question: where is an eye bolt? Answer: where external tension loads are to be applied. Question: an N3DD5 aircraft bolt is made of what material and what length? Answer: made of 2024 aluminum alloy, DD, and is 3/16 in diameter and 5/16 in length. Question: describe the following rivet and 430AD4-8. Answer: roundhead rivet made of 2117 aluminum, for 30 seconds diameter, 8/16 long. Question: in what increment is a rivet diameter measured? Answer: 32nd of an inch. Question: how is the rivet length determined? Answer: the thickness of the material plus 1.5 times the rivet diameter. Question: what is annealing? Answer: production of fine-grained, soft, ductile metal by heating it for a specified time and then slowly cooling it. Question: why is nitriding preferred? Answer, causes minimum distortion and requires no quenching. Question, the property of a metal that permits it to be permanently drawn, bent, or twisted into various shapes without breaking called? Answer, ductility. Question, what are the steps required for dye penetrant inspection? Answer, clean the surface, apply penetrant, remove penetrant with emulsifier or cleaner, dry part, apply developer, and inspect. Question, where is 7x19 cables used? Answer, on primary flight controls. Question, what percentage of the cable strength will the 5-tuck woven splice develop? Answer, 75%. Question, what percentage of the cable strength will the wrap soldered terminal develop? Answer, 90%. Question, if all instructions are observed, a swage type of terminal should develop what percentage of the rated cable strength? Answer, 100%. Thank you for watching.